Well, alright, just wanted to do a quick video. I noticed that my subscribers have surpassed 500. I just wanted to say a big thank you to everybody who's subscribed, and even those who haven't subscribed that have watched the videos. I really appreciate it. Never expected the amount of subscribership that I've received. I'm just doing this documenting our journeys as a hobby, and anyway, it turned out to be a little fun little YouTube experience, and we look forward to many more adventures. And I noticed that a lot of channels, they do a little giveaway, you know, a drawing or whatever, or some type of a raffle giveaway for when they reach certain benchmarks on their channel. I thought I'd do something a little different this time. Again, I want to thank everybody for watching, and for those who subscribe, and really the ones that make comments as well. I really like the interaction. Made some new friends, and it's been a really cool experience. Anyway, so what I did differently this time is I looked at the YouTube analytics. I just kind of messed around with that a little bit. And what I did is I went to the comments section on my, had to do it on my cell phone to get this data. I don't know why the computer option doesn't do it, but I went to YouTube Studio on my cell phone, and I was able to click on each of the channels that made comments to some of my videos, and I was able to see how many comments that they've made on my channel. I thought that was super interesting, so I went through, and you know, I have a lot of subscribers that comment on nearly every video, so I looked at those first. It took a little bit of time, but I went through there and I checked on each one, and it was interesting to see how many comments people have made. And when I looked through the statistics there, I noticed that there were some clear outliers there that far surpassed everyone else on making comments on videos. Don't know if that's necessarily an indicator that they're my biggest viewers, but they're certainly my biggest commenters. Anyway, in no particular order, I just wanted to say thank you and name some of those top commenters on my channel. The first one being, and she was the one that had the most comments on my channel, and it was Jennifer Lupine. Jennifer's channel, she's out of Seattle. She's made the most comments on my channel out of all commenters. Thank you, Jennifer. That is really awesome. I felt like we've made a relationship, got to know each other a little bit through that chat, and that's pretty awesome. And thanks again, Jennifer. And she was out of Seattle, so she's not local to me. There were three that were local. One is Jason with Fishfearme Studios. He's local here out of Provo. Another, Stacy with Utah Outback. I'm not sure which town he lives in. I think it's Utah County somewhere. And then John with Minute on the Mountain. He's out of Logan area, northern Utah. Jim Hayes Hiking out of Virginia. He's a top commenter as well. Cowboy JoJo out of Australia. He is also a top commenter on my channel. Paddle and Hike, Alex with Paddle and Hike. He's out of Canada. Again, another top commenter. Dpuck Fishing out of New Jersey. Again, top commenter. And there's many more. Hike Camp, Max with Hike Camp out of Wyoming. There's a lot to mention, but those 9 there were definitely my top 9 commenters on my channel. I appreciate all the interaction that they've given and all the support. I'll put their information down in the description of the video. A couple other things I noticed on the analytics of the channel. I noticed that 79% of the viewers of my videos are non-subscribers, interestingly enough. I don't know if they're just passing through, see a video, watch it, whatever, but I just thought that was kind of interesting that only 21% of my watches come from subscribers. Anyway, I just thought that was kind of an odd statistic. And I also looked at my which videos have received the most views. Interestingly enough, 4 out of the top 5 videos were all gear-related videos. They're either a review on shoes or a tent or something along those lines. And then next in line to that were my videos related to either backpacking or the Highline Trail and the Hayuina Wilderness. Anyway, I just thought that was some fun statistics to look at. Not that it really matters much. I just thought it was interesting to share. Anyway, a couple other things going on. I picked up a couple of gadgets. Christy, she showed me this little battery setup. What they are is it's a USB charger, AAA batteries, and they charge with the USB cable. It seems like you're always out on the trail and you need to replace your AAA batteries in your headlamp or something, and I thought this would be a cool way you could charge your batteries on the go if you have a battery pack. Anyway, something I'm going to try out. My son Miles, he picked up this thing called a fire stick, and you just cut off a little piece of that, you rough it up and you hit it with a spark, and it'll light a fire even if it's wet. You can float down the river and keep on burning. Pretty amazing stuff that I saw in the video there. I thought that would be good to have as a backup fire starter system in your backpack. And then I had some success on the last video of cooking some eggs on the trail. So I just picked up a plastic container to put my eggs in. Maybe we can do some more of that. It seems now we have a chicken resort here to have a ready supply of eggs. Maybe we'll do that, some more cooking on our trips. Alright, so to sum this up, just want to thank you again for all the subscribers and all the viewers. Really appreciate it. It's very kind of you guys to follow along and watch our journeys. So Jennifer, being the top commenter, I'm going to send her a little something out in the mail. I'm not going to do a raffle, I'm not going to do anything like that. She's the top commenter. I'm going to send her something in the mail that she can maybe use on some of her trips, and it'll be a surprise. I'm not going to tell you what it is. She won't know till she gets it. Anyway, thank you, Jennifer, and thank you to everybody else. We'll see you on the next adventure. Take care. Be safe out there.